You like to this clean out like your makeup. Just get the brushes, blend it in.
Tell me this more. I move an 8 for that girl, I move a half for that boy.
What's up, Gold Juice? We back again with another video. I'm back again with another video. Hey, I'm getting my back. She think it's over. Nah, she thought it was over. I must have forgot, cause she bought me my jacket and I got a hat, and you know I'm pressed right now, early in the morning outside, just to show it off. Y'all like it? Y'all like it? Ain't nobody even out here. Like a damn weirdo with some shorts on and a jacket. Before I get into this video, and the reason why I'm here today, I'm gonna give a special shout out to Paper for sponsoring this video. And if you're in high school or college and you need help writing papers, you can hit them up because they do help. Do writings of all types, lengths, academic levels. They free for plagiarism, and you pay when you're ready, when you happy, and if you like it. You dig what I'm saying? So, shout out to Paper for that. Today, guys, I am gonna be putting flour inside Mama's hair dryer, hair blower, all that little hair stuff that she be working with. You know what I'm saying? Today's just gonna blow on her face. That's it. Gonna blow all on her face. Gonna like a damn powder show. Whew, everywhere. Powder everywhere. I hope it go like that. I hope she don't catch me, cause she's in the shower at the moment. I'm not really worrying about time, because she takes long showers, and the water bill be skyrocketed. Water bill like this. High as shit. We can go ahead and get this thing started. We can go ahead and get it started. I ain't even had to come outside. Why'd I even come outside? Go see the long way. I can flex this light. My mom gonna be like, you pressed? I am pressed. I got my hat on, looking like a snack today. Mama in the shower. Alright, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm in the shower right now. I'm about to go in. Grab the flour. And since she's in the shower, I'm gonna go grab it. Hold on. Alright, I still ain't got everything I need. Put this underneath. Oh, shit. Make sure it's clean, you know what I mean? To sneak back in the bathroom, y'all. How she had this tied up, I don't know, some bullcrap. You know how y'all tie up y'all little blow dries? I tie them up however way y'all want to. So I'm just gonna tie it up however I want. Oh, damn, on my socks. Shower,
baby.
huh?
What are you doing?
Not listening to beats.
I'm starving.
I wish you would hurry up. You took all day in the shower.
Chopping like I'm Trappy Jam.
Alright, so I'm gonna dry my hair and I'm gonna get ready and go.
Okay, that sounds like a plan.
Vlogging. What's up, GOLDJUICE? I just took a shower.
You still dirty. Push come to shove.
Babe, this shit went in my fucking mouth. Babe. Are you kidding me?
Oh shit!
No, I'm like a cracker right now, babe. Are you, babe? Look at it in my hair. I just washed my hair, bro.
Stop playing with all this water, all the water all the goddamn place, girl. Get all this water all over the place. You look good though. You like the this clean out like your makeup. Just get the brushes, blend it in. You thought the powder shit was gonna get me, nigga?
I'm gonna get you.
You thought the powder stuff was gonna get me?
You know how to rewash my hair, and I'm about to take an hour long.
Look at that face. Look at that. It's a prank. I don't want no smoke. I don't want no smoke, babe. Oh shit! See? Playing around. Come on, why you keep on my hat?
Oh, I got it on my jacket. You play too much. Now you gotta clean it because you started it. Bye. Blowing my hair, babe. You heard? Hello? Goodbye.
Alright, go juice me out, baby. Put a thumbs up. Follow us on Instagram at WillGotTheJuice2 and Olivia Gold, the 0 and the gold. Make sure you get this to like 20,000 likes. Make sure you put our notifications on. What else, baby? Since you mad, I don't know, but hey, we out, Gold Juice.